space and Diona's space. Let's do it. Today we have come up with a superb recipe, chicken spaghetti. It's very easy, delicious and takes only a little bit of your time to make it. Now let's get cooking. The ingredients for this recipe will be listed in the description box down below. And by the way, we also have a challenge waiting for us at the end of the video. So stay tuned. Here we have some spaghetti. Now we are going to break this into smaller pieces. First boil some water. To that add 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. The water started boiling, we will add the spaghetti into it. Wait for 10 minutes, let the spaghetti cook. As you can see, our spaghetti is cooked. It is very soft. You can understand it is cooked by that. Now you have to drain the water, and after draining the water, just put some cold water on it so that it does not stick to each other. Put some oil into a pan and fry the vegetables you want. We are using capsicum, carrot and small onion. Stir it, fry it only for 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want it to over fry or overcook. Now we can add the sauces. First we'll add some red chili sauce. Then 1 spoon of tomato ketchup and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Now just stir it. Now we are going to add the chicken. The chicken, it's chicken breast. We cooked it using ginger garlic paste, salt and pepper. Now add the spaghetti to the chicken and the vegetables. I'm using 2 spoons to mix this, to stir this, because I'm not any big genius and all in doing this. I'm not skilled that much. Now just continue to stir it until everything is mixed perfectly. You can also add some spring onions on it. Not too much, just a little bit. Our chicken spaghetti is ready. I have served it in a plate. Now the next step is just to eat it. So we are waiting to eat our chicken spaghetti. It looks yummy. Let's eat it, right? Wait. You forgot about the challenge? Oh yeah. We can't eat with these. We are using chopsticks. It's my first time using. I don't know even how to use this. Yeah. Yeah, using one, yeah. So tasty. But how do we use these things? Let me taste the chicken. How to taste the chicken? I'll put it inside. Oh my god. Yes, you have to eat with one hand with something like this, right? The chicken is superb. Yes. You will go like this, double-handed. Yeah, I'm getting it. I could. I can't eat this. Yeah, I can't eat this. God, it's so hard. Oh. I'm going to use the fork itself. We can't get the vegetables and all with it. Superb. So you have to try it out, okay? It's very nice.
Yeah, it's good. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and anybody, if you know how to use the chopsticks, comment in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to try it out. Subscribe to our channel. Let's do it. Goodbye.